Here we are going to look at multiplication and division of integers. So on this, I'll be seeing 4 rules for multiplication and 4 rules for division. All right, so under multiplication, we see in a minus multiplied by a minus is a positive. A plus times a plus is a positive. A minus times a plus is a negative. A plus times a minus is a negative. All right, same for division, it's just you have division signs in the middle. All right, some students find it confusing to remember a minus times a minus is a plus, or plus times a plus is a plus. So don't go through that. Simply remember this. When you're multiplying or dividing two same signs, it's always positive, right? Under multiplication and division. Multiplying or dividing two same signs, positive. Multiplying or dividing two different signs, always negative, right? So let's take a look at question 1. Deals with multiplication. Now, a question dealing with multiplication, you will have a multiplication sign, and you can also have brackets. Bracket means multiplication. So we're going to look at part A, and when you're doing these questions, deal with the signs first, numbers after. All right, so if I'm dealing with the signs first for part A, multiplying two different signs is a negative, 4 4s are 16. Part B, multiplying two same signs, positive, 4 5s are 20, right? Positive 20 is equal to 20, all right? You can move from here to 20 because positive is understood. Multiplying two same signs is positive. You don't write the positive sign, and you simply put 20. Let's look at this one. We have brackets. Bracket means multiplication. Multiplying two different signs, minus 5 5 25. All right, there's the answer right here. Part D, multiplying two same signs. Positive 6 3s, 18. The answer is, all right, just 18. All right, remember, you can go straight to the answer. Multiplying same signs is positive. 6 3s are 18. We know the plus sign is understood. If we look at these questions here, for division, we either have the division symbol, or we might have the vinculum line or the division line, the over line, all right? So same thing, deal with the signs first, numbers after. Dividing two different signs is a negative. 2 into 16 is 8. Dividing two same signs is a positive, right? 5 into 20 is 4. So the answer is just 4 rather than plus 4. Now, same thing. Dividing two different signs. In front of 12, it has a plus sign. In front of 8, it has a negative sign. Dividing two different signs, negative. Now we have to look for a number that could go into 8 and 12 without leaving a remainder. So we know 2 into 8 or 4 into 8 is 2. The highest number, we can usually find the highest number that could go into 8 and 12 without leaving a remainder. 4 into 8 is 2. 4 into 12 is 3. So the answer is negative 3 over 2. All right. Now, if you have this, if you have 3 over minus 2 or negative 3 over 2, this here, and this here is the same thing, correct? All these three, correct. Continuing. Let's look at this last question here. Dividing two same signs, positive, right? We need a number that could go into 6 and 15. The highest number that could go into 6 and 15 without leaving a remainder is 3. 3 into 6 is 2. 3 into 15 is 5. So the answer is plus 5 over 2. Or you can just simply write 5 over 2 one time. All right. So that's it for multiplication and division of integers.